वो समाचार जुड़ा हुआ है इंडियन अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स के साथ, ख़ास तौर पर जो जागरूक हैं और ये जानते हैं कि न्यूयॉर्क स्टेट असेंबली में एक ऐसा बिल प्रस्तावित किया गया था जिसमें स्वस्तिक को हेट सिंबल के रूप में घोषित करने और पढ़ाए जाने की बात कही गई थी। पर प्रयासों से एकजुट होकर जब कम्युनिटी आगे आई तो न्यूयॉर्क स्टेट में डेमोक्रेटिक चेयर जे जैकब्स ने यह आश्वासन दिया है कि वो इस बारे में ये सुनिश्चित करेंगे कि ये बिल आगे न जाए। इस संबंध में एक वर्चुअल मीटिंग का आयोजन हुआ, उसकी झलक आप तक पहुंचाने के साथ साथ ITV गोल्ड के चेयरमैन और पारिक वर्ल्ड वाइड मीडिया के चेयरमैन पद्मश्री डॉक्टर सुधीर पारिक ने भी इस डेवलपमेंट की सराहना की है। उनकी ओर से इस आयोजन में मुख्य भूमिका निभाने वाले कमलेश मेहता जी को भी बधाइयाँ दी गई हैं। इस मीटिंग में जहां बहुत सारे भारतीय मूल के जागरूक नागरिक सम्मिलित थे, वहीं इसमें हिस्सा लिया कौंसल जनरल रणधीर जायसवाल जी ने और हिंदू टेम्पल सोसाइटी ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका की प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर उमा मैसूरेकर ने भी। पेश है ये झलक।
And the good news that I bring is that this bill 2727, I believe it is not going to move forward. It will not be advanced in the Senate or the Assembly. And you owe a lot of thanks, I think, as well to Kevin Thomas, the state senator from Long Island, of course, of Indian descent, who understood very well the need to make sure that that bill did not move forward. You know, the United States, as you all know, having lived here, as I've learned and we've all learned, is a very complex country. And democracy is not an easy process, as we've seen, and we learned that lesson again on January the 6th. But I think that what makes it work and where we will succeed is when people get active and we work together. When Kamlesh called me and laid out the difficulty with this particular bill, the importance to the Indian community, and of course I had some background because I was familiar with the fact that it was a symbol, a very positive symbol of peace, prosperity, and good tidings, if you will, in the Indian community. And frankly, it's used in other nationalities as well for other positive purposes. When he brought that to my attention that this bill existed, I didn't even know that the bill was being proposed in the Senate. I understood the importance to your community, but more importantly, what I wanted to stress and what I did when I spoke with members of the Senate and others that I spoke with was that we have in this country a culture of respecting each other. What makes America great, I think, is that we are an amalgamation, if you will, of people from all over this world who've decided to come to this country because they were hoping for a better life, a fair, more just life, for freedom, for opportunity, excuse me, economic or otherwise. They wanted the true promise of America, the American dream, hope and opportunity. And part of that dream and part of the allure of America is that you get to live your lives as good citizens, with kindness toward each other, and with the ability to still hold on to your own culture and embrace it and live with it. I thank you all for your support, your kind words, and it was my pleasure to be able to give you that good news today.
Mr. Jacobs, let me tell you how elated I am that you've lent support to an issue that is so dear to our hearts. I also wish to thank you for all the support that you've rendered to our community in Long Island and elsewhere for their welfare and for their well-being. Madam Mysurkar so beautifully put across what swastika means in various Indic traditions and religions. It is central to Hinduism, it is central to Buddhism, It is central to Jainism, and it also has a deep meaning in various other traditions across the world.
The governor is aware of this issue. Numbers of state senators are aware of this issue. And I think what we have to do is we simply have to educate people. You know, I look at the two symbols that are on my screen here. One, you know, that was right in front of me, the Nazi symbol. It has one character to it, but the Hindu symbol is very much different. And I think what we have to do is get recognition that the only thing that is the same is that the Nazis, and frankly, they didn't refer to it as swastika. I think it was referred to by others as swastika. The Nazis called it something else that I won't try to pronounce, but I would simply say to you, it's only the terminology of swastika that needs the clarification. The symbols themselves are different. You know, are there similarities of shape? Yeah, but similarities of a lot of things. So I think that the education process that we have to move forward is not that significant. I think we can do that. I took note of Section 240.31 in the Penal Code that was addressed that I'm going to take a look at and see how that might be modified so as to distinguish between the Nazi symbol and the Hindu symbol, which may share the same name in people's minds, but most certainly have absolutely nothing to do with one another in terms of what they represent, what they mean, and their place in our world moving forward. So we'll work on that. But in the meantime, I think we're in good shape, and then we've got work to do for the future, and I'll work on that.
I am a Hindu, and for me, of course, you know, it is close to my heart, my religion. At the same time, you know, I have the responsibility of Buddhist heritage, of Jain heritage as much. The 24th Tirthankara, Lord Mahavir of Jainism, was born in my hometown, Vaishali. Vaishali is also the place where Lord Buddha crisscrossed the land on a daily basis. He announced his parinirvan. He announced his last verse, his impending death in Vaishali. So that is how close I am to all these three traditions. A tradition or a stream of traditions which has given so much of wealth, so much of happiness, hope, thought, philosophy to the world at large. So thank you very much for your understanding and for your support. So juxtaposing something which is so deep, which has a history of 10,000 years or possibly more, with something which has been as recent and has a negative coordination would have amounted to not doing justice to the inner core of swastika, the meaning of swastika, and the emotions of people that is so deeply attached to it. So thank you very much. And for that reason, I think your support in favor of not positioning these two aspects together speaks of a deeper understanding of our sentiments and of our faith. So thank you very much once again.
And Mr. Jacobs, Honorable Mr. Jacobs, you have assured all of us here. Today, our heartbeats are for a different reason racing very high, because there is an anticipation that this bill is not going anywhere. So thank you very much for saying so and assuring us of that. And all the organizers of this great meet and great initiative that we have fought. Just to, not to take any time, but I want to say one thing definitely. In the annals of Indo-US relationship, Mr. Jacobs, you will last forever. And with this video digital recording of the whole thing, your words will matter a lot to further the relationship going forward.
And I was just texting Mr. Mehta to say, congratulations to you for all your hard work. And Mr. Jacobs has now come forward and assured us, and I think all of us can sleep peacefully tonight, thinking that this swastika will not go anyplace. This is something so close to our heart. As I said, I live my day, morning, afternoon, evening with swastika. It's almost impossible to believe that the swastika can be in any way removed or not respected the way it was.
we have to recognize the Holocaust and difficulties our Jewish brothers have gone through. At the same time, it was Hakenkreuz and not the swastika. And so making this bill, not having swastika name in there and going it away, has done the true justice to everybody in the world.
By giving us an assurance and promising you are going to get more than 1.8 billion blessing around the world, directly or indirectly, which will definitely give you more power and more strength to protect, again, legal rights, religious right, and constitutional right.
Any confusion between our Hindu religion symbol and other symbol of the hate from the Germany is two different things. And I'm glad that chairman of the Democratic Party responded to Indian American community's protest and got kind of convinced that they will try to not equate the Hindu religion with the this kind of hate symbol. And therefore, we should be very grateful to Chairman Jacob, as well as we should really very lucky that Chairman Jacob is helping us because of his now better understanding of our point of view. And I also congratulate Mr. Kamlesh Mehta and his team, and those who are actively participated in the protesting this bill. They won, or their victory is in our hand, and therefore I must congratulate them. And please keep working like this in the future too.